It's the wrong bike, it's that one over there.
Oh, this is the Brookton.
This is the #1 steak from Brookton. Templates are wrong and it makes me upset. Now we're just waiting for the pipe.
What pipe you put up?
Yeah. I mean, what's a race bike without a pipe? It's not really a race bike, is it?
Is it going to be a race? Is it going to be a race? That qualifies as a race? Hell yeah. When's your first race?
It'll be end of the month. Is the first pony.
Buy yourself a dream. How's it looking? Buy yourself a car and a house to live in. Get yourself a girl, someone different. Buy yourself a dream. It won't mean nothing.
Is it safe?
It's safe. You can scroll.
Yeah, that's killer.
It's pretty sick.